Hey, I am Karen. What is your name?
Hey, I'm Ria. Nice to meet you, Karen.
Nice to meet you too. Are you studying or working?
I am studying psychology. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing my degree in computer science.
Oh, that's nice. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy playing football and taking photos. And you?
I love reading novels and cooking.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
Yes, I have two elder sisters.
Great. What are your future goals?
I would like to start my own business. And you?
I want to become a psychologist.
Wow, that's impressive.
Thank you. I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.